going to do is to smash my. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? You are welcome back again to another video. So in today's video, guys, I would like to show you guys how you can make the perfect toasted bread. Yes, so these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this recipe. So in here I have my sardine. Yes, so this is my sardine that I'm going to be using, and I have 3 eggs here. These are my eggs, and this is my chopped pepper. Yeah, and this is my onions, which I'm going to be using, and this is my black pepper. Guys, if you haven't tried using black pepper to make your roasted bread, I think you should give it a try because it's going to give you a perfect taste. Yes, and this is my parsley, which I'm also going to be using. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin the show. So guys, first thing I'm going to do is to smash my sardine. Yes, so that is the first process which I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to use this to smash it. If you don't have something like this, you can use your hand to smash it, and it's going to give you a perfect result. Or if you have your spatula or your spoon, you can equally use it to smash it. So I think it's perfect like this. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to add my egg. So I'm going to add my 3 eggs here. Yeah, so after adding my eggs, I'm also going to mix them together with this. So you keep on mixing it until you get a perfect result. So guys, I forgot to tell you guys that I've already added a little seasoning cube in my sardine. That was before I started the video. So I added a very little seasoning cube. So after mixing it, next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my pepper. So I love pepper in my roasted bread, in my toasted bread. So at this point, I'm just going to add all the ingredients together. I'm going to add a little of this, okay, and this is the black pepper. I just love the taste. So after this, I'm going to mix everything together. So you keep on mixing until you get a perfect result. Guys, the first time I tried making my toasted bread in this way, guys, I really enjoyed it. In fact, the taste was super. Ever since then, I can't just stop making it because I love it. Especially my husband, he loves it so much. So at this point, we are done. So I'm going to start putting it in my bread. So this is the bread that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the brown bread. This is my brown bread. So I'm going to pick one. So when I pick one, I'm going to make it like this. Can you see that? So this is it. So I'm going to pick another one, and I'm going to close it like this and keep it. So I'm going to pick another one. I'm going to pick another one. So this is how you are going to repeat the process until you finish. So I'm going to repeat the same process. Guys, I forget to tell you, in case you would like to use butter, you can use butter at this process. But before you apply this this mixture, you are going to apply your butter first before applying this particular mixture. For me, I don't want to make use of butter. That's why I just went ahead to use my sardine. So right now we are going to put it on the fire. So guys, right now we are going to start making our toasted bread. So as you can see, I've already on this because I want it to be hot before I begin to put my bread. But before that, I added the anointing oil. I'm sorry guys, I added the olive oil. Yes, before I will start putting my bread. So I'm going to use it to. So right now I will start putting my bread. This is it. Put it like this. You put another one like this. And right now we are going. Can you see that? So at this point, if you feel that it's not well toast, you can turn it to the other side and cover for some minutes. So we are going to check again. Wow. So at this point, I'm going to remove it because it's already toasted. So let's check again. Wow. Wow.